got over here? Oh, a rose. It's beautiful. Boys and girls, do you know who owns this rose? The beast? Oh, but it's just so beautiful.
Don't touch that!
Sorry!
How dare
I
you!
didn't mean any harm!
Don't you realize what you could have done?
Sorry!
Get out!
Sorry!
Get out!
You know what? Promise or no promise, I can't stay in this castle for another minute. I just need to remember how to get home from here. Well, boys and girls, do you know where my house is? From here? Which way do I go? Definitely this way, yeah? Somebody please help!
Val, get back! Ah! Ah! Belle, get back inside the castle! Belle, get back inside now! Belle, get back here! Belle!